What would it look like for us to have a Sabbath for our soul? Maybe it's that we learn that rest can become a celebration. Is that something that we've even considered? Rest isn't something that we have to do, it's something that we get to do. It's something that we can embrace. It's something that we can look at as not just well, I get to stop working. It's a time that we can really rejoice and celebrate the things that have happened over the last week, the things that have occurred in our lives, the little wins and the little victories. It can become a place of celebration. It's celebrating what's already been restored. It's celebrating what's already been accomplished. It's celebrating the little wins and the big wins, the little victories and the large ones as well. It's just a time that we can take to pause at the end of our week and reflect. Today, I was able to start my morning with just some quiet time. And on my Sabbath, on Saturdays, my quiet time is usually pretty extended. And it's not just an hour. I take several hours and go for a walk and spend time reading and just enjoying this morning a cup of coffee and my Bible and just really reflecting on where I've come and what's ahead. It was a day that I had to do a little service recovery for some difficulty that I was having with my vehicle. But in all that, when I took my walk, the entire time I took my walk with Lily, I gave thanks. I just kept saying, thank you, God, for all your provision. Thank you for your love for me. Thank you for caring for me. Thank you for all these opportunities to grow. Thank you that you always look out for me, that you're a banner and a covering over me, and you're all around me, and you make your presence known to me. And so I just use that time walking to really give thanks and to really reflect on what's happened and to take the challenge that I had, yet another challenge, and turn it into something to use as an opportunity to give thanks. And so I spent much of my day just working on keeping my focus on the things that I have to be thankful for, the growth that I've had, the ability to take the challenges and turn them around so that I look at them as little victories instead of setbacks. And so I would just encourage you to find ways that you can pause throughout your day of rest and give thanks, but also look at ways that you have to take these little challenges and turn them into opportunities for growth, opportunities for improvement, opportunities to learn and see what you might be able to do differently the next time. And I hope that in my sharing my challenges with you, and my perspective that I take, I hope that encourages you and I hope that you are able to get something out of this. I hope it blesses you. And I will see you tomorrow.